How did I lose you? How did I blow that? How can we go back? Why did I not choose you? Instead of a good time, I wasted your good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be doing part 1 of getting this office together, so I thought I would bring y'all along. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Thanks.
at you.